Hair transplantation. What is it? Hair transplantation is a surgical procedure aimed at providing individuals experiencing hair loss with denser and fuller hair. It involves transplanting hair follicles, usually harvested from the back of the head, to bald or thinning areas. This procedure is considered an effective solution for individuals experiencing hair thinning or balding due to hair loss. Hair transplantation methods: follicular unit extraction, FUE. In this method, individual hair follicles are extracted one by one and then transplanted to the recipient areas. FUE is less invasive and generally offers shorter recovery times. Follicular unit transplantation, FUT. In the FUT method, a strip of hair-bearing skin is harvested from the scalp, and then the hair follicles are extracted from this strip and transplanted to the recipient area. FUT may be more invasive and require longer recovery periods. Hair transplantation procedure consultation and evaluation. Hair transplant candidates consult with a doctor to evaluate the degree of hair loss and determine the appropriate method and expected results. Preparation. The donor and recipient areas are prepared for the transplantation procedure. Harvesting hair follicles. In FUE, individual hair follicles are harvested one by one, whereas in FUT, a strip of hair-bearing skin is harvested and then dissected to extract the hair follicles, creating channels and implantation. Channels are created in the recipient areas, and hair follicles are implanted into these channels. Recovery and results. The post-transplantation recovery process begins, and new hair growth is expected. Results typically become noticeable within a few months. Hair transplantation costs. Hair transplantation costs vary depending on various factors such as the size of the transplant area, the method used, the experience of the clinic or doctor, and the location. Generally, countries like Turkey may offer hair transplantation at more affordable prices compared to other countries. Hair transplantation tourism in Turkey. Turkey is a significant destination for hair transplantation tourism. The country's affordable prices, high-quality services, and experienced doctors attract many individuals seeking hair transplantation. Hair transplantation clinics in Turkey typically have modern facilities and offer services that comply with international standards. Conclusion. Hair transplantation can be an effective solution for individuals experiencing hair loss. With different methods and technologies, achieving natural and aesthetic results is possible. The affordable prices and quality services offered in countries like Turkey contribute to the popularity of hair transplantation tourism. Hair transplant tourism in Turkey. Turkey has become a significant hub for hair transplant tourism in recent years. There are several reasons for this: affordable prices, high-quality healthcare services, experienced doctors, and modern facilities. Hair transplant tourism is particularly popular among patients from the Middle East, Europe, and Central Asia. Pricing. Hair transplant prices in Turkey are generally more competitive and affordable compared to other countries. Prices may vary depending on the individual's hair transplant needs, the techniques used, and the reputation of the clinic or doctor. On average, prices for a hair transplant procedure in Turkey typically range from $1,000 to $5,000. References. References can be important for individuals considering hair transplantation in Turkey. When choosing a reputable hair transplant clinic or doctor, it's essential to gather information about past customers' experiences and satisfaction. Online forums, social media platforms, and clinics' own websites are good sources for finding such references. Countries preferring Turkey. Patients preferring Turkey for hair transplantation generally come from Middle Eastern countries, Europe, and Central Asian countries. Among these countries, notable ones include Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Kuwait, Germany, the United Kingdom, France, Russia, and Azerbaijan. The main reasons for this preference include Turkey's proximity, affordable prices, and quality healthcare services. History of hair transplant tourism in Turkey. Hair transplant tourism in Turkey dates back to the early 2000s. There are numerous hair transplant clinics and doctors, especially in major cities like Istanbul, Ankara, and Izmir. The rise of hair transplant tourism in Turkey has been supported by advancements in the healthcare sector, technological progress, and effective marketing strategies in the country.